Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I was so busy. We've been traveling, we went on vacation, and I'm still a little under the weather. I'm still recovering because we were just out and about like every single day for 2 weeks, and it's taking a toll on my body. I'm like literally exhausted. I don't want to do anything but sleep. And then also I don't know if I should say this, but just to keep you guys updated or up to date, I started working, so that took a toll on me as well. It's very exhausting because I work with kids. So yeah, like I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. And also I get seasonal depression, and it's winter and it's cold outside. So I just want to cuddle up and stay in the house. But I said, let me record, let me do this vlogmas, because why not? I feel like interesting stuff happened during the holiday season, and also I do a lot more during the holiday season because there's so much stuff to do. But yeah, like I said, I'm excited for Vlogmas, and welcome to the first video of Vlogmas. So most of the videos or footage is already pre-recorded, so not everything will be exactly the day that I post. No, I already planned some footage and stuff, and that's my beautiful Christmas tree. Well, the Christmas tree is not done yet. I still need to add some finishing touches. I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but yeah. So we have this family tradition, and that's the reason I'm recording this video. We have this tradition in our household that we normally put gifts under the tree, right? And I'm supposed to look at the camera. So we normally put gifts under the tree, and like the first day of December and on Christmas Day you get to open gifts, but on the first day you only open one gift. And surprise surprise, me being nosy, I wanted this Christmas gift. Like, since I met my husband, I've always wanted this specific gift, right? And he actually got it for me this year for Christmas, and I'm not surprised. The reason I think he got this for me was I asked him for a Louis Vuitton bag. I was so in love with this one bag, and I was like, I really want this bag, and the bag was $2,000. And he was like, well, I would rather invest in any of your businesses or buy you crypto. So I was like, okay, rather invest in my businesses because we already have crypto. And I opened the gift, and guess what it was? I'm like so head over heels, like, mashallah. Thank him, thank God for my husband, because he honestly spoils me so much, and I can't believe it. Like, I'm still in aware that he got it for me, and I'm still shook. But yeah, so drum roll. He got me the MacBook, the 2021 MacBook, and honey, guys, when I tell you I was not expecting it, I literally was not expecting it. I thought when he said, let me invest into your businesses, he meant like, I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe like, I don't know. But I also knew he was going to get me this because I've always been telling him I'm tired of sitting at my desktop and working. Like, I want to work remotely. Like, I want to go to a cafe and work. I want to go to a library and work. And I'm always in cafes. Like, I'm always in a coffee shop. So I'd rather work there or work wherever I am. And then I bought a tablet. My kids put it in the water. They actually went to bath with the thing. The thing was swimming in water. So that did not work out. I still have not repaired it. But yes, he got me the MacBook Pro. I'm gonna do a little cute unboxing, and once again, welcome to Vlogmas, and I'm Tiffany. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? please click the subscribe button. I'm sweet, I'm kind, I'm loving, I'm funny, I'm a mom of twins, I'm a wife, I'm a military wife, and I'm an explorer. I'm literally Dora the Explorer. I'm South African. Like, what more do you want? So yes, like, share, and subscribe, and let's go unbox my gift. I'm having some green tea because like I said, I'm finished. Like vacation 2, me 1. I lost to vacation. Honestly, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I have to go to work tomorrow, and I'm working. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Tomorrow's a 3-hour day. No, 4 hours. Shit. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Tomorrow's a 5-hour day to work. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. But yeah, I'm having green tea. Because like I said, I'm still under the weather. I'm not feeling well physically at all. Like, I'm drained to the core. Traveling is exhausting. I don't know. Like, that's why I would rather travel internationally than travel in one spot. But yeah. And he said when he went to the store, there was like literally like 5 left, and this was before Black Friday that he got it, and there was 5 left. And then after he gave me this, or I opened the gift, I went to the store like the Sunday. I went to the store and there was nothing. Like, it was completely sold out. So yeah, it's a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and yeah, I don't know what else I should tell you guys about this, but let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna use my nails. I think I can use my nails. I don't know. Mind my sleepiness, guys. I'm exhausted to the core of me, to the brim. I'm so excited. Today is another day. It's the morning after I unboxed the, what do you call it? The morning after I unboxed the MacBook Pro. So yes, that's my Christmas gift. One of the Christmas gifts I got from Zazie, and I opened it and I'm excited. And I just come from the gym. I could not record in the gym because it was so full. Like, gym has been so full lately, and all I did was just run for 30 minutes. And then I had to go get some fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna show y'all what I get after I eat, because I have not eaten all day. So I'm about to have coffee and then eat just a Korean bowl that you put in the microwave and you eat it. I'm gonna put on my hair bonnet because my hair is a mess. I got a hair appointment on Sunday and I'm gonna get braids, but let's go eat breakfast and then I'm gonna record the video for the day after this one. And no, first I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the supermarket. I had to go get fruits and vegetables because I have to juice for myself, and my husband asked me for some juices too. So let's go. Okay guys, this is the power bowl I was talking about. It's a Korean barbecue bowl. It has quinoa, brown rice, and some veggies. And welcome back to Vlogmas. So today is Thursday, day 2. I'm still gonna, yeah, I'm just continuing filming. But yeah, I didn't do nothing all day. I just washed my hair and stayed home and relaxed because I had an off day today. And yeah, I didn't do much. But then I went grocery shopping. I'm currently putting the groceries away. And yeah, my husband decided to barbecue and work out while we barbecue because I didn't go to the gym. So we started a home gym yesterday, so we're gonna work out at the house and, you know, test out the new home gym. And also braai, aka barbecue. I don't call it barbecue, it's a braai. Okay, we're gonna braai, and I'm gonna have an egg roll for a snack before we work out because I'm hangry. And yeah, you all done? Thank you. Braai, braai, braai.